is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So for a while now I have been promising that we are going to be working on the brakes as well as throwing on the new front pipe, one of which is true today. We just aren't quite ready to throw on the brakes that I wanted. What we are going to do today is do the brake fluid at least, but we're going to get to the front pipe. So the front pipe I went with is the Ace front pipe that's really made for the same headers that we have on the car, the CS 400s. This front pipe goes from 2.5 inch to 3 inch. There's a little bit of thought put into it, which is the main reason why I really like this header and the main reason why I really want to go with it, as opposed to a lot of cheap variants that just seem to not have a lot of thought into it. So today we're going to be going under the knife. Unfortunately, not as big a knife as we wanted, but thanks to Logan, once again, this will be a pretty easy dealio for us to undertake. So we're going to have some fun, get some clips of the car as is right now with the current stock system, and then just get into it. I think it probably just stepped on this stuff. There you go. I'm losing weight here too. That's heavy.
Yeah. In fact, you're getting rid of 2 grams.
No, I know. That's why now you know why I'm so worried. I literally couldn't hear myself think when I was like going through the gear. Like it wasn't like that loud, not uncomfortably loud, but like all I could think about was like how weird that sounded. Hardly drive because I'm just like laughing so hard. Oh, my AC is on. Dude, legitimately? No, legitimately, that's why
I'll leave the windows up.
Okay, yeah. Dude, that's what I'm saying. There's a difference. There is a big difference between AC on and a.
Oh, if only you were next to him.
Oh, buddy, let me at him. We don't have much room. I don't want to keep going on forever. I know you got dinner. All right, guys. So we are all done. I just didn't want to end the video there with those last sound clips because they are pretty obnoxious. I don't know whether or not that's going to come through in the audio through the video. I don't think that it really shows how violent these cars are with the OEM system still in place in the rear end. Our buddy Jose, who we've gone to autocross before, has a TRD system essentially on deck. So I'll be meeting up with him at some point this next week to grab the TRD and to cap off this exhaust system once and for all. Just because all I know is this current setup is truly like outrageous. Like honestly, like it's irresponsibly outrageous. There's part of me that thinks I could finagle a way to kind of do custom piping out the back and not make it so outrageous, just avoid that OEM bash. But yeah, no, it's just too much. It needs a muffler. So it is what it is. It was worth a shot. It was still a super fun experience overall. I think got to keep in mind this is my first time experiencing almost all of these things. So that was just like an absolutely outrageous moment for me this past afternoon. The clips you saw, as well as just driving home and just the looks you get and just laughing the entire time. Like it's hilarious. So that's going to be it, guys. I hope you enjoyed, but I just don't want you getting the impression that that's it. I don't even think I can take the car to PBIR like that necessarily. I really hope you enjoyed. I will catch you on the next one. A lot of exciting stuff coming up, and we're going to try to keep the seat time up. I'd really like to hit a drift event. I will catch you on the next one. Peace out. Bye-bye.